click on the video clip, and at the top, click on volume. So you can adjust the volume to where you want to lower it or raise it. So you can also click the mute button here to mute the entire video. So if I click play now, you can't hear any of the audio. If I go back and click unmute, I can adjust the volume levels here and click play. So I'm still filling out some items here, and you can adjust the volume based on your own preference. Shelf, but you can put any sort of item. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.